everyone. Welcome to our another exciting episode of Venus Asks. Venus Asks is our engagement platform where we share excellent and prominent work our employees have been doing at Venus. It's a platform where employees can share how it is to work at Venus. So today we have with us Mr. Ravinder Kumar from Quality Assurance Department. So let's hear from him now. Hi sir, welcome to the session. So let's start with a brief introduction of yours.
Thank you. So my name is Ravinder Kumar and I'm leading the quality assurance department. So I am having total experience of around 18 years in pharmaceutical industry in quality assurance and quality control department. And with Venus, I am from last 1.5 year. So prior to Venus, I have the opportunity to work with companies like Fresenius Kabi, Sun Pharma, Rimbaxi, Cipla. So
Well, thank you for sharing your overall experience, sir. What is the basic role of quality assurance team, and what are your key responsibilities in this department?
So basically, quality assurance plays a central role in Venus Remedies to ensure the compliances at each stage, from material receiving to batch dispatch. So mainly we are responsible for oversight of aseptic operations in shop floor, IPQ activities, line clearance before manufacturing and packing, a quality management system for change control, deviation, CAPAs, OS, ODs, these kind of risk assessments, and batch releases, batch dispatches, uh, audit compliances, handling of customer and regulatory audits. So these are the main activities for which we are responsible.
Well, thank you for answering that, sir. How do you handle since QA is quite refined process? So, how do you handle the challenges or problems that occur during the manufacturing process?
So we are having a dedicated team in shop floor for ensuring the compliances and for detection of problems at early stage and to identify the root cause for these problems and at the same time taking the appropriate CAPAs to avoid reoccurrence of these issues and to ensure that there should not be impact on the product quality as well as patient safety.
Well, thank you for answering that, sir. Okay, so how would you describe the quality of Venus products?
So as I told you that we are monitoring the quality of product at very early stage, and so we can finally say that the product which we are producing meeting the high standard of quality, uh, trustworthy, patient safety. So overall, if I talk about the quality of our product, over a year we are delivering our product for more than 6 million people in the worldwide.
That's wonderful. Sir, why do you think quality is more than just a compliance at Venus?
So basically, compliance is about rules and regulations, but quality is beyond the regulation. The product which we are producing is meeting the high standard of the quality, and to ensure that it is also safer for the patient safety as well as to earn the trust of the patients.
Well, thank you for answering that, sir. Sir, you have been nominated in top 100 people of Venus, like named as Fortune 100. So, how would you describe that feeling?
It's really been a proud moment to be part of Fortune 100 in Venus Remedies. And I would like to thank you for respective management for giving these kind of motivations to us as part of our recognition.
Thank you so much, sir, for answering that. Like in Venus, every department has a mission and sankalp for year 2025. So, what is your department strategy to achieve that?
So as part of our quality mission, we are continuously working to improve the quality of our product through facility upgradation, through automation. Recently, we are going to implement a new software for paperless Venus for maintaining trainings, change control, deviation through a software.
Well, thank you so much, sir, for sharing your overall experience and incredible work you are doing at Venus. It's inspiring to see how dedicated individuals like you are bringing real life change in Venus and in society at large. So, stay tuned for more such exciting updates from Venus. Thank you.